Hi guys, you're welcome back again to the channel Onyi Omura with another video. And in this video today I want to show you all practically how you can create a free highly converting landing page for your business. Say you are an online entrepreneur, you are into selling of physical products or services online. You all can agree with me that you need a landing page for your business. If you run ads online, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, then you need a landing page for that. Now I'll be sharing with you all practically in a bit how you can create this free landing page in less than 10 minutes. Guys, it is that easy. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, do ensure you watch this video to the very end. Before I take you down my PC and show you practically how you can get this done, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome as well. As always, here on this channel, I create content around starting and growing an online business. I go in depth with many importation, affiliate marketing, dropshipping business, and different ways of earning sustainable income from the online space. So if videos like this interest you, do consider subscribing and joining this beautiful family, right? With that being said, guys, let's go down my PC screen right now so I'll show you how to do this practically. Let's go into it. Now, in order to create this free landing page, okay, all you need to do is go to your browser and type systeme.io. I'll leave the link on the screen. Since you don't have any accounts with them, you just go ahead and click on get my free account. Once you click on get my free account, all you need to do is go in with your email, a password, confirm your password, and that's it. You get your own account here. So because I already have an account, I will go ahead and click on sign in. This is my dashboard here. Okay, this is a new account I created for the sake of this tutorial. So you can see that my leads, everything here is 0 because this is a fresh account. Now, in order to create our landing page, you go ahead and click on funnels. You can see funnels here. When you click on it, please locate where you see create at the right hand side of your screen. Remember, you can do this on your smartphone, right? You can actually do this on your smartphone and you see it almost exactly the way it is on my screen right now. So go ahead and click on create. When you click on create, just name this funnel to be able to differentiate them from other funnels you have already. So I'll just type tutorial. Now the next is choose your funnel goal. Build an audience, sell product or a service, build a custom funnel from scratch, or run an evergreen webinar. If you are interested in this first one, which is build an audience, right? So you go ahead and click on it and then you hit on save. It says funnel has been successfully created. Now this is the funnel. You just need to click on it. Very good. Here you can see some templates that we can work with. These are free templates that you can use. Okay, can you see them? There are loads of them here. So let me scroll down this template and see the one that will, that will suit the aim of my ads, or the one that will suit what I want to use it for. So let's go. So I think I actually love these templates here. You can see it very simple. Let me click on it. Click on select. Okay, now remember, this is a squeeze page. You can actually name it. Remember, we have your squeeze page and your thank you page. Depending on the type of landing page you're building and the purpose of that landing page. Now I only need a squeeze page. I don't need a thank you page because this particular landing page, I just want to use it for my Facebook ads. So for now, I don't need a thank you page. So let's continue on what we are doing. You can decide to edit this, okay, and this is your URL part, so you can edit this as well. So let's leave it the way it is. Let's go to this part where you see edit page. You click on that. So guys, this is exactly what we are working with. You can see we already have some rows here and columns and all whatnot. We just need to edit it to fit what we are actually creating a landing page for. Now it says, are you ready to learn the best way to create squeeze pages? I can edit this so I just click and then edit. Now let me introduce you guys to this part here where we have the elements. You can see different elements we have here. This is your text elements, your headline, bullet list, content box, image, blah blah blah. Don't worry, we'll be using them, and as we use them, I will explain one or two things about them. Now this is what I just typed in. Now we can decide to change the font, right? You can see you can increase the font size if you wish to. It's on 68 already, so I can just move it up a bit. How to create an online course is on 80 right now. That's way. Then spacing, if you wish to, you can change that as well. What else? Okay, the color. This background color you're seeing here that is white. You can actually change it. You just click here. Okay, you can see your color palette where you can choose your colors from. Let's say I want to give it a light green color. We'll have something like this. Okay, I think I'll leave it this way for now. Let's just scroll, just play around with what you have here and see how you will come out with something really nice. Now I want to change this text color. Up here you will see bold. If you want to bolden your text, if you want to bolden your text, you have the bold icon here. You have your italics here. You have your underline here. Can you see it? Right now, I don't want this underline. I don't want it to be italics. I can leave it on bold. Okay, but I need to touch something. I can reduce the font size. If I want it to be on bold, I need to reduce the font size to like 77. Then also I can change the text color. Yeah, this is for the text color. I can change it to maybe white, since I already have my background as green. Okay, no, the white even doing it for me. What about I go with something red? Is it okay, guys? I think it's not that bad. What do you think? Okay, all I can do right now is just change back my background to white. I don't like this green background I have here. Now I think I love my white background the way it is. It makes everything unique. This next row you have here, I don't understand what this text is, so I can just change it and bring in something, right? Something simple and captivating. Remember, whenever you're writing things or you want to write a very simple copy, you can always use ChatGPT. So first of all, let's take this out. Write me a 4-line captivating copy on creating online courses. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT will give us here. I'll just search. Okay, it's very simple. Unlock your potential and inspire others by creating captivating online courses. Share your expertise, build a thriving community, and make a lasting impact with your knowledge. Start your journey to becoming an online course creator today. This is actually simple and nice, so I just need to copy this and hit copy. I come back here. This is what I'll be pasting in here. So I just right click and then hit on paste. This is it here. I think I love it. I can also make this bold and I'm good with it. So Ctrl A, I can just make it bold. So just I've bolded it and that's all. Okay, I think this is good. Now it says get your free ebook. So right now I want to add an image here. I just deleted that ebook cover. I want to add an image, and this is a content box. Okay, so before you add anything, just ensure you add a content box, right? So the next, I'll just drag and drop an image here. I just added an image element. I just need to click on it. Just click on it and then come here, pick or select your image, or you can also drag and drop. So let me just pick the one I have here, just random image. So this is an image I want to work with. This is me just showing you guys an example. We should have gotten a fuller image, but let's just work with what we have here. So this is the image I want to work with. This desktop stuff, okay, let's leave it. Just note that this will only be visible on desktop. Anybody that is viewing this page with his or her phone will not see this one. So I'll just change this to download your free course. Free course. So that you can see, basically what I'm doing is just editing what they already have here. The template is good for me. Download your free course now. Again, I will just delete this particular one. This particular row, I'll just delete it because I don't need it. So now they just need to fill in their first name and then their email here, for retargeting and all those. If you're wondering how they added this, when you scroll down, you will see form. Under elements again, you will see form. So you just need to drag and drop this checkbox. You drag and drop, and then the button, right? You can see your button here. You drag and drop. That's the button you're seeing here. So the next thing is for me to edit this button. You can see that you're not actually doing much. I will delete this button and bring another. Remember, I have a row here. Can you see the row? So I will scroll down. This is a button. I will drag and drop it here. I need to edit the text. This is the text. So I just want to show you guys how to add it. When you click on it, you come to this part to edit. Now the first one says action when button clicked. When your potential or your prospect should click on your button, what do you want them to see next? Do you want to send them a form? Do you want to send them to another website or to WhatsApp, whichever one? So here you can click on send form if that's what you want them to see. Show pop-up, open URL, next step URL, or you want them to download a file. So I want them to go to another next step URL or open URL, whichever one. So I want them to go to maybe my WhatsApp from here or to my website. So I'll just click on open URL. Then you need to type in a URL, right? So I don't have like my WhatsApp URL here. I will just type anything. Let me just add something random here. I will just add google.com. So when they click, it will take them to Google. Let's just leave it like this for the essence of this training. But here you can add either your website URL if you have one. You can also add your WhatsApp if you want to take them to your WhatsApp DM, to your WhatsApp group, whichever one you want. Okay, just get the link and add it here. The next says open in a new window, or the same. No, it should open in a new window. Then this alignment should be center. What else? Filled or fill with. I want it to be filled with. This is where we add in our text. So I just need to remove what's here. The text is get free course. Now the subtext, if I want to add any, I don't want to add any subtext there. So it should be the way it is. Do I want to change the color of that? I think I should still leave it as red. Working with the red. So I just resize this and I think it looks better. Let me make it full. fill with. Okay, this should be better. I can bring this down. Let's go. I don't like the way it's aligning with this email. So okay, this just give it space. Okay, I think this is good. This is something simple, guys. You don't want your landing page to be too choked up with things. You want it to be simple, straight to the point. You know, when your landing page is choked up with so many things, some people come, they don't even have the time to scroll through. They might even just click out. But when it is simple and straight to the point, like it's hitting the nail on the head, you will see that your ad will actually convert. Okay, take note of that. This is something simple. Of course, I can do better with this image. This image is not fitting in. It is not the right image for me to use. I know you get. So when you're doing yours, you make sure your image is fitting in properly. But with this, we are good to go. So another thing I love adding to my landing page is a countdown. It helps to create urgency in the minds of your prospects, right? I love adding countdown. So I can just drag one and drop here. You can see a countdown time here. Is this the right place for it to be? No, it can be somewhere at the top, somewhere at the bottom, but for now I'll leave it here. This is where I have the space for it, and you can edit it from here. Fix time and date. So just go ahead and edit to be visible on both desktop and mobile, so you can see it here. Now I prefer this to that other element that was here. I prefer this countdown timer. Okay, so this is what we are. Now you can also add a footer page. Okay, a footer, you know what a footer is, right? You can actually add it as well if you wish to. Now another thing you can add down here is if you want to add your socials. You can see socials here, your Facebook comments, Twitter share button, and all those. You can actually add it here as well. Okay, let's go to blogs. Scroll down to blogs. Let me show you something. Here under blogs, you can add page footer. You can add page footer. You can also add testimonials, right? You know, one thing about testimonials is it helps convince your prospects. Like when they see testimonials, it convinces them to actually go ahead and register for your course or register for your free training or whatever. So you can decide to add a testimonial. These are some templates depending on what you want to work with. I think I want to work with this black one here, so I'll drag and drop my testimonial page here. This is what we are working with. So you just need to edit. Here you can change the picture and put the picture you want to use, okay, and then you change this text to your testimonial text. And then what else? You change the name. This is very easy. Hope you know how to do this. Just editing the way we did it before, the way I changed my image. When you click on it, you change image. Very simple, guys. You can see it here. You have your testimonial page. You can also go back to add your page footer. Let's see some of the templates here. You can see them. These are some of the templates. This particular template here has your socials, your contact us, location. Okay, I think this is actually good. So you can drag and drop this here. So let's scroll down and see what it looks like. So this is the page footer we are working with. Here your company logo can go in here, and then a text, your contact us. You just need to click and then change this text. Location, if it's a physical business you're doing, you want people to walk in, people to visit your store. If not, guys, just go ahead and delete this. This is for an online course, so we don't need this. I can add something else here. Just think of something else and add to this space. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So just play around, guys. Everything here is so easy. So easy. You can see everything is taking shape now, and I think it's beautiful. It's not that bad. It's something I can work with. Now when you're done, you click on what? Save changes. Save changes. Now it has been saved. Let's preview what we have. This is how your prospect will see it, right? Now as soon as they click on this get free course, it will take them to the URL page you added, right? But this is what they will see. When they scroll down, they will see your testimonial. Coming down, they will see your footer page where you have your contact us, blah blah blah. So that's it. Very simple, very professional. Of course, can make yours better than this. This is a preview page. Don't use this URL. Don't use this URL. So when you're done previewing, you just close this. So now if you want to add a thank you page, I already showed you how to do that, guys. Okay, now let's say you sold a product or they downloaded directly online. You can just click on this thank you page, just thanking your customers, your potentials, right? And you use any of these free templates because it says thank you for registering, congrats, thanks for your purchase, a big thank you. If you're selling a service, right, or you're selling a product, you can always use this thank you page, but I don't need it. My squeeze page is what I need. Now this is, we have already saved it. Hope you know that this is where you copy your URL. This is where you copy your URL. Now you can edit this number you see here if you want to. Let's say I just want to add only to it. Whenever you change something, always click on save changes, right? Always click on save. Now this is the URL we need to copy, and this is what we'll be adding in our Facebook ads page. This is the URL we'll be adding. This is our landing page. So this is how to build a simple landing page without stress, without any knowledge of website design. You can do this in a matter of minutes. Go ahead and have your own landing page, copy the URL, and then I'll see you in the next video where I'll be sharing with you guys how you need to go ahead, add this to your Facebook ads. Now if you've not seen the previous video where we started this Facebook ad creation course, right, I'll leave the link to the video for you on the screen, or you'll see it pop out. Click on the video you're seeing so you can watch that particular video and get started. If you've watched to this point, I believe you all have gotten value. Please smash that like button, share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much as you subscribe, and I'll definitely see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.